Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffins rise. Let's start by understanding your leavening agents. Baking soda needs an acid to create carbon dioxide, which forms bubbles for lift. Baking powder, on the other hand, already contains an acid, so it reacts twice, once when wet and again with heat. Using the correct type and amount of leavening is the first step to achieving those beautifully domed muffin tops. Next, proper mixing is crucial for a great rise. Overmixing your batter develops gluten, which can make your muffins tough and prevent them from rising properly. Instead, combine your wet and dry ingredients quickly, mixing just until no dry streaks remain. A few lumps are perfectly fine. This gentle approach keeps the batter light and airy, allowing those leavening agents to do their best work. For an impressive rise, oven temperature and how you fill your cups are key. Begin baking at a higher temperature, perhaps 425 degrees Fahrenheit, for the first 5 minutes. This initial blast of heat creates a powerful burst of steam, giving your muffins a quick lift. Then, reduce the temperature to finish baking. Also, ensure you fill your muffin cups 2/3 to 3/4 full. This provides enough batter to climb high and form that desirable dome. Finally, consider your ingredient temperature and a short rest. Using room temperature ingredients helps them combine smoothly, creating a more uniform batter that rises evenly. Cold ingredients can make the batter lumpy and less cohesive. Additionally, letting your batter rest for 10 to 15 minutes before baking allows the gluten to relax and the leavening agents to begin their work, contributing to a taller, more tender muffin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.